Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut to our speed keyboard input allowed option using buttons volume up and side button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut, we have to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and under advanced settings menu we have a few options. We are interested in side and volume buttons, volume up buttons. Right now we have interaction control under this shortcut, but let's change it. So speed keyboard input allowed, please. Let's see if it works. So side button and volume up button. As you can see, speed keyboard input allowed is now on. Our shortcut is working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.